electric.
You can't see it.
It's electric.
Electric vehicles. Are they the cars of the future? With recent advances, some think so. While electric vehicles, or EVs, are known for offering a myriad of benefits, from better performance to zero emissions, studies show that the EV creation process and upkeep emits 2 times more pollutants than conventional cars. Therefore, these automobiles are not only less practical due to their exorbitant expense, but also should not be labeled as green due to their environmental toxicity. While the technology behind electric vehicles has been in place since the early 1900s, their popularity and widespread use has only spiked within the last decade. This can be attributed to their greater mobility, aesthetic appeal, and belief that they are better for the environment than conventional gas-powered vehicles. Examples of cars in the new electric market include the Tesla Model S and Nissan Leaf. While these vehicles run strictly upon electricity, a more common alternative for American consumers is the hybrid vehicle that has a gasoline engine as well as an electric motor. Even with such advancements in the market, the electric vehicle market still remains very small in relation to that of conventional vehicles in the United States. Instead of consuming gasoline, electric vehicles consume electricity. Generally, electric vehicles are plugged into an outlet at home of 240 volts, a voltage similar to what people use for their washing machines. Public outlets like these have similar voltages. These higher voltage outlets are used to charge the vehicle at a more rapid pace, but in turn, it uses a substantially greater amount of energy. Here's how it works. After energy is produced in a power plant by burning fossil fuels or other means, it gets transferred to homes or parking garages like these through electrical wires and then gets put into the car, or any other electrical appliance for that matter. A process that, depending on the energy source, can be more environmentally toxic than the normal pollutants of a conventional car. For busy Tampa parking garages like these, parking is normally a hassle, but for electric cars, it's much easier due to these design spaces.
On the other hand, Greenhaven Press reporter Daniel Yawitz argues that in many states, which rely heavily on coal to produce the electrical energy, electric vehicles are far worse for the environment. The burning of fossil fuels, such as coal, creates greenhouse gases, releasing extreme amounts of carbon dioxide and methane into the environment, and contributing to global warming. Electricity through coal is not the only type of electrical generation to harm the environment. Natural gas has similar chemical effects, and hydroelectric power destroys the marine environment at its location. The mining for such materials as coal and lithium is just as harmful, if not more, than their use in energy production. The battery for electric vehicles primarily consists of lithium, according to Stephen Dutt from Earth Materials and Resources, an element that is abundant in the alkali metal group and is commonly used in batteries, optics, and nuclear weapons. Mining for elements like lithium, and even more so coal, creates literal mountains of waste. In fact, 15 meters of soil and rock may be removed to get merely 30 centimeters of elements, creating concentrations as low as 0.5%.
The production of vehicles is also far more environmentally taxing than regular gas-powered vehicles. Scientists from the Journal of Industrial Ecology back this claim up through studies which demonstrate that EV vehicle production increases human toxicity, freshwater ecotoxicity, freshwater eutrophication, which means that a body of water gains too much nutrients, and a depletion of metallic resources. This can be attributed to the large amounts of nickel, copper, and aluminum in the batteries. The study estimates that nearly twice as many grams of equivalent carbon dioxide per kilometer are released by electric vehicles than conventional vehicles because of their hurtful lithium batteries due to the mining.
As stated, the key environmental claim for having an electric car is less emissions directly from the car. However, according to Discovery, only 1/3 of all road pollutants come from car exhaust. Rather, wear on the road and normal debris released from cars, such as asbestos for the majority of the 1900s, a mineral that can cause disease such as cancer, are the major causes of road pollution.
Consequently, while electric vehicles have a variety of benefits, being environmentally friendly is not one of them. Therefore, they should not be labeled as green.